All right, what's going on, guys? We're doing headlight restoration today on the Gen. We did this headlight, came out quite good yesterday. It's pretty foggy, so we're gonna go ahead and do this right headlight today. Some of the supplies you'll need are as follows. I have a drill off of Amazon. This drill is like $20, $30. Pretty good. You also need McGuire's Ultimate Compound and Clarity Restorer. You can also buy some headlight restorer as well, some Windex. I also have these 3000 grit Trizac pads that you'll need. You also need some 3M Gold P500 pads. You can use some water if you want, because at certain points you may need to wet sand. I have some automotive 3M tape here, some 3-inch sponges, 3M sponges that you'll be able to dab the compound on to get the clarity. And then I just have a dust blower. I have an orbital if I decide to use one. If you decide to use an orbital, you can use one as well. And then obviously your mask for when you're applying the clear coat. And I also, on my head right now, I have a headlamp so that I'm able to see just, the clarity of the headlight as I'm working through it. So that's some of the materials that you'll need to get started. And let's get started. As the first step that we're gonna take here, and I already started a little bit, is by grabbing your P500 3M gold discs. Don't cheap out on the pads or the discs, because these are very high quality discs for a reason. They cost $34 for a reason in the box. So don't cheap out on these, and also don't cheap out on your P3000 3M Trizac pads. Again, these are very high quality pads, and let's get started. And I'll probably go through maybe 2 to 3 of these pads on this light. And you're supposed to see it looking chalky, that's fine. Let me make my way around to you guys in a second. All right, as I said, guys, next step, P800. We're gonna continue dry sanding. If you need to charge your drill, do it. But we'll probably go through 2 of these pads, 2 or 3, however many you need to get through the whole light. I'll probably do between 2 and 3. Let's get started. Gonna keep going until we get that whole light now. second P800 there. Alright, it's my third and final P800. Next up, Trizac Wet Sand P3000. Now this Trizac 3000 pad is a buffing and polishing pad. Very good pad. That's why I say the quality of the pad really matters. You can already see how clear it is too, but we'll keep going. Trizac pad number 2. Final touches on this last Trizac pad. That's it. Now, next step, we're gonna put some Windex on this headlamp and wipe it off, and then put some Meguiar's Compound Color and Clarity Restorer, and then we'll probably wipe that off. We'll put some more Windex on, wipe that off, and then put some Headlight Restorer on, Formula 1, and then wipe that off, and then prep for sealant. And you can also use your duster too in between. You'll see me probably using that. So, all right, on to the next step. Let's get some Windex. You'll be able to see all of that. Really pull off that light like that. Pull all of it right down. Just like so. Get yourself a nice clean microfiber. I have a lot. Pretty cheap on Amazon. I have like 50 of these. Start wiping it off. Give it a couple seconds, let it sit on for like 30 seconds, and then start wiping. All right, guys, so I actually just found some additional scratches that were on this side that I wanted to get removed. So what I did was I went back down to my P800 and I wet sanded this side again, so there's no more scratches. They were just really small, light hairline scratches that need to be removed. Again, if you see scratches like that again, just go back down to maybe a P800 or 1000 wet and just go back over it until it's smooth and clear. And it should be just translucent, just like it is here right now. No deep or any surface scratches at all. So just as an FYI, I'm not perfect, but if you do need to go back, you can just go back, but make sure you're just obviously going back to a lower grit like 800 and working your way back up. All right, so next step, we're gonna take one of our 3M foam discs, foam pads right here, and we're going to put some Meguiar's Compound Color and Clarity Restorer on it. Because as you can see right now, you can't see anything. So we have to restore this so that we can actually have some clarity and see through the headlight. So we will do the dab method. Let me get this sponge on here, and then I'll show you the dab method, which is just dabbing on the surface of the headlight so that you're not flinging this compound everywhere. Because I have a Mustang right next to me. So get back with you guys in a second when I have the foam pad on the drill and I'm ready to start dabbing on the headlight. put a little bit more on. That should be enough. Once you're done, put some more Windex on it and we'll clean it off and wipe it off and see how clear the headlight looks. I'm gonna use just a little bit of this as well, just a tiny bit. It's got all right, now I'll put some Windex on this thing and get it all cleaned up. Ready for the clear coat. All right. And we got that compound and restore and Windex just wiped off of here now. Headlight should be very clean now. So what we'll do, take a little duster, make sure it's clean. All right, and now we are ready to should be ready to add a clear coat. So get your mask on. I gotta go grab my mask really quickly, and actually it's right here. Show you guys the clear coat magic. All right, so you don't want to breathe in this stuff. Remember, put your mask on. Oh, this mask just pretty much broke. Oh, this will do for now. We got our mask. You want to get your Meguiar's headlight coating. I would stay about a foot away and just give it nice, even strokes. Now, I'm going to start up here and come all the way down, but just give it nice, even strokes from a good distance away. You don't want to be too close to it. So let's go. Let's get started. That's it. Now let that sit for a little bit of time. It's gonna need to sit for probably 4 hours to cure, and then another probably 1 to 2 days before it's fully complete. And that's pretty much it. That is the video, guys. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. It's free. Make sure you guys hit the red subscription button as well as the bell so you're notified when I drop more content. And yeah, I will insert a clip the next day once it's fully cured so you guys can see how both headlights look now that they're fully completed. But again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.